Yo, what up? This is MTP2DDR. And right now, you see me right now recording myself to let you know that I'm back. I'm still alive because it's been mostly about 4 years in the making right there. Not big, but it's good to be happy to be alive most I can so I can find something passionate on fire. And what else to be a passion on fire? By playing the PKM Go. I know it's been like a old school and stuff like that, but heck, man, when I'm gonna be like one of those guys that you are really an employee now. So now, since I kind of lost my job a little bit on 3 weeks ago now, I started to move on. So eventually, I'll get it back. But right now, I'm just here and I'm there to go on the way on my next journey of Pokemon Go. So right now this video is going to show you about here for me I'm going to be for a PKM go higher. No, PKM go for higher. So I'm going to go for higher right there of it, so to help out some trainers that need help for raid battles or gyms. Plus I'm 3 elements of Mystic Instincts and I think if I'm here, yeah, Valor. But there is some kind of information, and I'll be a little bit down in the description right there below. If I got a few more of them, if you don't see it, I'll feature a description below in there if watching my videos. So right now I'm going to record on the Pokemon Go on what's my movements I am right there on my avatar. So one of the stuff on my avatars I'm making right there, so I can which side I can get to choose of it. Most I like to be a Valor because Valor rocks, but it don't work that way on my kind of business right there for a go for hire, like almost like a bounty go or something like that. But anyway, I tell you, but still, I'm wasting enough time as it is right there of it. I better get this started and hurry up on the go. But before I do, I want to tell you, there'll be some other feature events videos I might try to do, because I'm going to try to keep up as much videos as I can since I'm on employment right now of it and eventually get a job. So, let's begin. Alright, I'm back. So, anyway, we're going to start doing about the hunt. Now you see the screen for Pokemon Go. So, you really started being a hunt, so, for being a trainee for hire. For, a trainer for hire. So, let's begin and start the journey, begin the road of Birmingham Road, or say Rocky Mount Road, or something like that you can say. Alright, let's begin. Alright, looks like we're back. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed the Pokemon Go video I'm doing so far. But anywho, right now you see right there a spot is the other Pokemon creature from on the Go device, and also there when I just pointed the map was just a Pokestop you just saw right now. And not to mention the gym, as the professor is trying to explain and tell me things about like I can't be in there till I become a level 5. So sorry that usually I can't use like a camera and then use my share screen right there of it to record the video. But anywho, this is the best I can do with my probability right now of it. So I hope you guys will enjoy the video how it is. And mostly saw that weather plant right there of it, show what type of boost and Stardust I can gain more for catching a Pokemon or use that Pokemon attack on the gym. Because weather pattern effects now works on Pokemon's mood swings now. Well, not move swings, just mostly a move attack. And you see that squirrely, that mostly says about like you can catch a Pokemon, how much of the Stardust, how much you did on their type of base right there you can catch. Oh, and plus if you see the shop, that shows about like how many coins you can earn of it. By earning coins, you can just do two things like that on the cash box right there of it by paying iTunes credit or Google credit or using your debits and stuff like that. Or not to mention, go to the gym and also battle on against other people and claim the gym. And plus, about like 5 hours out, 10 minutes and stuff, you earn one each out of coins 50. If you want to take that slow route, though, if you want to. So, anywho, there's another one again. So my progress and stuff being a Pokemon Go for hire is probably is something that earning about grinding, not to mentionly boosting my level up like you see right now. Right now level 1. Now high experience as it go. The max is level 40 and I got to reach that higher level of that. Experience is gonna take a while to gain, mostly about catching and battling your Pokemon. Not to mention as much experience as proper needed. I also need to stay focused on how my track of record right there of it, on how much different other Pokemon I can get, so it can help me for the party. But usually I'm not mostly too much interested on doing raid catching. It's just mostly battle it and then help the person that was helping me, that I helped them, asking for hire. So, usually get their Pokemon as they can. And we can cut some kind of deals and stuff if you don't get your Pokemon not right there, how much the pay go rate if you want. And not to mention claiming gems. Well, I choose mostly I can become a blue, a yellow, or a red. So as AKA Valor, Mystic, or Instinct. So for instance, if I become blue in this one I'm going about to do, I become a Mystic. I can take on against other gyms to help Mystic players, or if the players that are yellow or red as an Instinct and Valor, if they need to take out their Pokemon right there of it, I can just take it out so they can get their coins earned before the today be over with at 24 hours. Well, mostly because you can't earn much of the coins that much if they first get taken out on the first day. So imagine that you still have your Pokemon over 24 or 40 hours a day and stuff like that. That's like even those hours like that is like almost 1 or 2 days. So if you had that much longer and you want to put other Pokemon in, if you already been over the 5 hour limit and stuff, you max out your 50 coins or one each day. So that's how they will count Diantic as an AKA Game Free, or mostly Gigantic. Mostly usually they change the rules and stuff like that. Good or bad, it's how it balance. Oh, and not to mention you see around all these Pokemons, you can put lure modules if you got already and stuff like that on a Pokestop. You saw one of my items. So that helps out good in a nutshell, especially if you're already going like on sprint and stuff like that, like popular stuff on stops people can go on, so that way they can catch as bigger Pokemon as you can. And lure modules can be really useful because think about for sure. They can be useful as in find some people that are really interested on the go and always walk around, so that way you can find the right person you want to travel and do raid battles with. But normally me, my lure modules like a signal flag, not only for catching Pokemon but only for people track their map right there, their own location close to you. Not to mention, if I'm the same team as you guys right there of it, if I got enough fruits, I can help you gain your Pokemon still more fruits right there if you need more help of it. So that way, if we're same allies right there of it and close of it in your gym, that means all you gotta do is give me a good call, email, or message right there of it. I can feed your Pokemon and let it stay in the gym so you want it to have more coins more often.
or if we're at parties on your own team and stuff, I'm just like a backup or a dev-ack, or not dev-ack, like a backup and un up right there for your backup, or if I'm saying it right. But still, there's a lot to learn about mostly in this game, and especially about being a go for hire, a player go for hire. I gotta do my best at possibilities to make sure the game can be much fun for everybody, and mostly get those Pokebucks. Get it, Pokebucks. So right now there's like a lot of tons of Pokemon's possibility. We already reaching the Pokedex right there for 3 gens already. Kinto, Johto, and Hodo. Each of them have their 100 different kind of species of Pokemon. Mostly like say 300 to 400 Pokemon you can see right now by across the map. Some Pokemon like legendaries, they can't be crossed unless you beat them at a raid battle. And that's why I come in. If my levels are high, the people you need for your stat to beat a raid battle, then I'm the right person for the job. So I gotta be the right person to handle those tiers. There's only about 5 tiers or maybe 6. I'll have to look that up, but the highest tier is the one with the legendary Pokemon comes by. And maybe often it might come back on once each a year, maybe like that. So that way you can get your hopes up and stuff to make sure you can catch a Pokemon. I just wish Niantic would put a trade system so that way we can all, well, I can do a little something right there other than the trade system, but you know. Well, my video is gonna about to wrap up a little bit as most as soon, so hope I can show you the more tutorial reasons of Pokemon Go for hire. So anyway, this is me, MTP2 DDR, signing out. Peace.